Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if Stripe at checkout keeps showing up that they cannot redirect you. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it open up, go right there and it's going to open up the main page. From there in the upper right corner, we can get started logging in. If you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page. From there in the upper left corner, we can get started accessing our website settings and editor and the configuration tab as well as settings to see how to go ahead and manage our website. And now we can follow this article right here on GitHub. Somebody already asked the same question on Stripe, giving them the server error that they are not able to redirect to the payment form. So basically guys, here we have answers by somebody who is also facing the same problem. So basically guys, there have been changes to the source code from the latest update. So what you want to do is make sure to update your website and all your modules to the latest version. And basically guys, what you want to do is, if you keep getting this problem again and keep experiencing, going to GitHub or the official Odoo forum and posting for yourself, asking for help. Explain what your problem is when you are encountering it, explain everything in greater detail, and somebody with more knowledge about Odoo is going to come out and help you, give you tips on how to fix it. But basically make sure to update everything to the latest version and try again. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.